Thank you for joining us today to learn more about document containers in the Presence website. Be sure to check out Resource Central to learn more about other aspects of your site. This is a typical document container page from the public perspective. Document containers, like our calendars, have a subscribe button where a user can type in a title for an alert, an email address, choose the email type, and choose the frequency of that alert. They can then click the I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA and click Add Alert. Registered users could choose to get their alerts online. Folders will be listed in alphabetical order. The row will list the number of items in the folder and the registered user who created that folder. The three dots to the right will give user access to copy the link to the folder directly or to subscribe directly to the folder itself with the same options as the container subscription. Clicking on the folder will give the open folder icon and list the files that are in the folder. Each file will show the file type, the file name, the author, the size, and when it was last updated. There will also be three dots to the right of the file where the user can copy the link, download the file, or again, subscribe to the file itself. If any changes are made or a new version is uploaded, the subscriber will be notified by email. Now let's look at creating and populating one of these document containers. I will first log into the site and navigate where I want the new document container to be. I can either add a document container page using the plus page drop-down menu, or I can add a document container to the previously existing page. That's what I'll do now. First, I turn on Design Mode and locate the Collaboration tab of the Portlet library. The third portlet from the left is a document container. I can click and drag the document container onto the dotted rectangle denoting the active area of the page. When I see the yellow box with the words Drop Here, I can release the mouse button. We will see a loading animation, and when the page reloads, there will be a document container on the page. The document container is one of the few portlets that is easier to edit without Design Mode on, so I'll turn it off. Remember that the public will not see the Add, Security, or Activity link. Those will only be available to registered users with editing permissions on the portlet. We will look at the Add function in a little bit, but the Security link will allow you to let other registered users contribute to or edit items in your document container. The Activity link will show a log of activity within this portlet. To add a folder, file, or link, I'll click the Add button and then select the item to insert. For today, I'll create a folder and then place files within that folder. I can type in a folder name and type in a description. I can then click Add Folder and we'll get a message that says Created. The folder will then appear with the registered user who has uploaded it listed beneath. To the right of the folder is three dots. Clicking on these dots will show you different aspects of the folder. You can copy the link to the folder, edit the folder properties, move the folder to a different location within the document container, delete the folder, or look at an activity log. When I click on the folder, I will see an open folder icon, and I can use the Add button again to nest folders or add files or links to those folders. When I click on File, I will get a drag and drop window. Clicking on Add Files, I can navigate to an area where I have files and drag them onto the drag and drop window. I can close my file browser and then click Start Upload. I will get a loading animation, then a pop-up that says Created, and my files will be added to that folder. The three dots to the right of the file will allow me to copy the link. The Edit button allows me to change the file name and type in a description of the file that will be available to the public. I can also upload a new version of a file. If I decide later that I need to revert to a previous version of the file, I can change which version it is with this window as well. And then I can click Update File. I can move this file to other folders in this document container, delete this file, download this file, or look at the activity log for this file. I can even add registered users to the security option for this specific file if I want another registered user to be able to edit or add to this file. That covers document containers in the Presence website. Thank you for watching and have a great day.